JobTread Connect.
JobTread Connect.
JobTread Connect.
JobTread Connect.
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 Connect. Connect.
Connect.
Connect.
Connect.
Connect.
Connect. So what is JobTread Connect?
Let me show you what it's all about. JobTread Connect is the annual construction conference for contractors who are serious about leveling up their business. This January, over 1,000 contractors from all over the world are headed to Dallas for the biggest event in construction. Over 3 days, you can expect 75 ed sessions, powerful keynotes, and real strategies from contractors just like you. You'll grow your network at industry roundtables, happy hours, and conversations you won't find anywhere else. And when the sessions wrap up each day, we turn it up with 2 major social events. Oh, and every meal and drink, it's all included. Get your tickets. We can't wait to see you in Dallas.